Hey, what's up, guys? Thought I'd here to talk about some more cool stocks today. No dumbbells or anything like that. But hold on, getting a call. Hello? No, I didn't park there. Yes, I will take the pizza. No, my name is not Chad. Nice try. Nah, but extra cheese. I mean, protein powder on the side and a scoop of broccoli. Yeah. Alright, cool. Bye. Whew, sorry about that. Hate when that happens.
What's up, guys? Back at it. Sorry about that. Had to take a real important phone call there. Apologize. Happens now and then, being a celebrity and all, you know what I mean? But today we're going to be looking at I think this is one of June's biggest potential kind of skeptical plays here. And also long-term holds if you're interested. Today we're going to be talking about at&T. I'm sure everyone's heard of them. Never personally have had them as a phone company, but I do acknowledge them as being one of the tops, just like Verizon or any other thing. So looking at at&T over the past few years here, as you see, they've been up and down there. Kind of, if you really look right here, kind of a consistent downtrend, lower lows, lower highs, as you see right there. Then, of course, the normal uptrends, but as you see, it's staggered down. That's definitely a downtrend. Not very good in regards to them over the past few years. But as you see here, if we zoom in here as of right now, after their earnings, they really sank down to real low. As you can see, they're at an all-time low here within the past 3 years. So it's been about 5 years since they've been about this low. So as you see down here, once they drop down, you can see the volume just boom right there. Huge sellers. As soon as sellers saw that, they were just out. Then a consistent downtrend, hence why you wait a little while until it starts the consolidation. And as you can see right there is where it started consolidating. And now, I believe this stock is going to start rising up. It's kind of a signal, actually. If you look at it really deep down in there, let me close this here. You can see right here a reversal hammer. As you see, that means it's closing in the top 25%. It's going back up. Not saying that's a long time hold. Obviously, you're going to have a little bit of pullback. But as you see again, even there, let me clear this, is another candle in the top 25%. As you can see, there's going to be more run the next day. A little bit more consolidation there, kind of choppiness, but still making higher highs and higher lows, which is the key in regards to success in trading with the trend. You don't want to trade against the trend, so that doesn't make sense. I mean, you can trade with the pullbacks and like that and short, but it's a lot more safer to trade with the trend. It just doesn't. It wouldn't make sense to try shorting a stock that is going up when you can buy into it and just kind of ride it up, not have too much worry. I like to focus on stocks that you don't have to worry too much about.
What do you mean you don't have protein powder? Is this even a real pizza store? What do you like, do the stock market investing and like trade against the trend or something? Drive on the opposite side of the road, go to the gym without a pre-workout, like not have a protein bar on you at all times or a can of tuna? No, don't make me sound weird because you don't do that. Like, anyways, I got more. I can't sell the whole pizza. Obviously, you are not, educated enough to be prepared. So you can cancel it. Give it to the next guy or Chad or whoever actually ordered the pizza. Anyways, I gotta go.
at&T also pays a great dividend. Fantastic dividend if you look it up. So another huge benefit on at&T in the long run. So one, this stock has great potential and was right now it's at its low. My favorite thing is buying these blue chip companies at their low, and right now, I mean, you cannot argue it is at its low. With potential, even if we just before the drop of 30, we'll just be low short. We'll even say down here $35 about. So it's at 31. It's at close today at 32.47 and right up to 35 and just let it go or even hold it, for the long run to. Heck, I would mean maybe it'll even recover to $40, kind of being optimistic. So, but easily $36 swing trade while capturing a dividend. You can't really lose out there. It's pretty safe, and at&T is going to be around a while because phone companies are always going to be. All right, guys, stock number 2, I'm thinking for June that's going to be fantastic here, swing trade, is Bank of America. As you know, the stock market crashed there in February, so you can see they kind of hit lows there, crashed again there in April due to earnings and whatnot, and how they took it, because, you know, the news is so awesome and so smart. You know, it's almost like if they were smart, they'd be trading, but instead they're telling you a bunch of news to make you get scared. And when people get scared, they sell. Hence why you see all these red candles all over the place. But good thing for you guys is you can start to invest in these kind of companies when people are scared. When people are scared, that's the time to buy. When people are, optimistic and happy, that's when they lose track. And as soon as they see that, they just sell right away. And hence why it goes all down. And most rookie traders, they feel comfortable with a company like Bank of America. They buy here, and then they sell here. Why everyone fails at the stock market. Right now is a great time to buy a Bank of America. As you see down here, the lows, and also the volume's increasing here, which is good. Right here, big reversal candle, kind of went big red candle, green candle, and then a red candle again, but finishing at the top 25%, bounce up. Real nice, textbook kind of perfect reversal right there. Not saying this company will be going up, straight up. There's no such, it doesn't just go straight up unless you live in the world of 2017 where it just keeps going up and then all of a sudden we crash. So hopefully this is going to be another company. Bank of America has been around forever, and look at they've just went up. They've always kind of just increased. That's great in a company like that. They've been around forever. Everyone knows them. Their financials are great. One of the best banks you can use, and just a very, very good stock hold company. Also pays a dividend. A lot of good things about them, but just another stock I was looking at in regards to a good financial swing trade. For all you guys who want low risk, Bank of America I don't foresee ever really crashing hard. That's my personal opinion. Do your own due diligence. But right now is a nice time because it is a blue chip company, and it's at its low. And you really have a lot of room for the upside, as you see there. Last time it was this low, geez. It right about there, so you're pretty much at the same spot as if you bought it in November. So we're back at November, and as you see, it doesn't have a tendency of just randomly going down. It's just gone up. So now would be a great time to buy that. So just my 2 cents. Take it as it's worth. Alright guys, the third and final stock, I'll make this one quick because they're all kind of the same reasons. Another blue chip company, Goldman Sachs. Always people are like, well, why don't you list penny stocks? I don't have enough money. It's like, dude, if you just bought one share of this, you'll be fine. You can hold it and make money. You don't need to invest in penny stocks or garbage companies in regards to make money in the stock market, regardless of what your bank capital is, guys. All right, think about it here. As you see, Goldman Sachs is a great company. Been around for a while. And right now is a great time to buy, as you see there at a very low price here. First time since, look at that, October. So pretty much almost a year. This company's hitting a low here, and another company that has drastically increased. Slowly, nicely grind up there. 275 high when everything was like on the moon. Everyone was happy, drinking margaritas and, playing with their dog, or I don't know, whatever country songs sing about, Model T Fords and babies. And anyways, guys, now we're looking at it today. As you see here, we're going to zoom in. Whoop. Also, one of my favorite things, as you see, there's a little reversal candle right there at its all-time low. My guess is we're going to go up slowly, just like we did back here. But this is a company that I think is going to, this next following week even, you could buy into this right now. And I don't see much room for the downside. If you want to be safe, right now it's at 228. It reversed there the day before, as you see. 228, not a bad time to buy. I would recommend waiting maybe for a little bit of a pullback, 225, and then buying it up, selling it at the 240, 250 range easily. So 245, that'd be easy swing trade right there. Very safe. Like I said, a company with great financials, great background. Always look up their financials before you enter into something like this. If you can't watch it, you have a day job, put your due diligence, look up the company, see what they're leveraged, if they're over leveraged, how they do on their assets versus liabilities. Goldman Sachs is great. They also pay a dividend, as the other two companies did too as well.
So you're probably wondering at this point, what is a dividend? Pretty much a dividend is being paid by the actual company for being an investor. So kind of like, getting paid to work out or getting paid to buy supplements from a certain company. So yeah, that's pretty cool. But
so it's good long-term hold too. A lot of room for the upside at all-time lows. Like I said, blue chip companies, time to buy when they're low. You don't have to search around too hard or watch it too much, because there's a lot of room to the upside and little room to the downside, which makes you risk to reward pretty darn fantastic, as you see here. So that's my third pick. I also chose Coca-Cola in a separate video. You'll be able to see that soon. That was my top pick for May, and worked out pretty darn well. Another blue chip company with a great dividend, with an awesome background. It's going to be around forever. So I like to choose companies that are safe, everyone knows about, everyone uses, and they have a great background in financials and assets. So that's my third choice, guys. Let me know what you think. I know this wasn't a workout video or anything like that, but it's pretty darn informative. And like I said, the more money you make, the more time you can spend at the gym. And the more time you spend at the gym, the bigger you get. And the bigger you get, the more food you buy. And the more food you buy, the more money you need. And now it's just a giant circle. So invest in Goldman Sachs, because they will feed your pockets just like your muscles. Anyways, dudes, peace out.